We're hearing from President-elect Donald Trump's team following a new ruling in his New York criminal trial. Judge Juan Merchan has rejected Trump's attempt to have his case thrown out. His attorneys have pointed to the Supreme Court's July decision on presidential immunity, but Merchan says the case concerns entirely unofficial conduct. CBS News correspondent Caitlin Huey-Burns is now in West Palm Beach, Florida, and joins us live to talk about it. Good to see you, Caitlin.
Hey, Vlad. Well, this was a very interesting case because, as you mentioned, this centers around the question of presidential immunity, which was established by the Supreme Court earlier this year. The Trump team was trying to argue that evidence collected through this involved statements from former White House officials and statements made while Trump was president. But the judge in this case, Merchan, said that it has to do with unofficial acts, that the crime committed here was done while, before Trump was president. We're also hearing from the Trump transition team, as you can imagine, criticizing this ruling, and the judge himself saying the sooner these hoaxes end, the sooner our country can unite behind President Trump for the betterment of all Americans. Now, you may remember, Vlad, that sentencing in this case was postponed till after the election so as to not interfere with the election. And then it has been asked by the prosecutors to postpone it until essentially Trump's term ends. Of course, there's longstanding Justice Department policy not to prosecute a sitting president, which is why those federal cases have concluded. But in this case, this sentencing would be deferred till after Trump's term ends. And basically, the judge in this case said that he didn't want to throw it out entirely because of what that could mean for the justice system.
All right, Caitlin, let me ask you about this press conference the president-elect held yesterday. It was his first one since winning the election, and you specifically asked him a question about vaccines. Talk to me about that.
Yeah, Vlad, his pick for HHS director, Robert F. Kennedy Jr., has come under scrutiny. He is, of course, on Capitol Hill this week, trying to garner support for senators ahead of his confirmation. And he has come under scrutiny, of course, for his past comments and misinformation that he has said about vaccines. And at particular issue here is his attorney had petitioned the FDA back in 2022 to revoke the polio vaccine. And that had garnered criticism from Mitch McConnell, the Republican senator who, as you know, survived polio as a child. And so in a statement a couple of days ago, he warned Kennedy about associating with someone like this and said that those views are dangerous. So I specifically asked the president-elect what he wants Kennedy to do when it comes to vaccines. Take a listen.
Do you want RFK Jr. to revoke any vaccines?
No, I want him to come back with a report as to what he thinks. We're going to find out a lot. Nothing's going to happen very quickly. You're not going to lose the polio vaccine. That's not going to happen.
So you see him there saying that he wants Kennedy to look into some of this, but he did say that he wants to keep the polio vaccine. And I should mention, too, that when Kennedy arrived on Capitol Hill yesterday to start his meetings with senators, he also said he would like to keep the polio vaccine. Vlad?
Yeah, I saw that moment with Kennedy shouting that out to reporters yesterday, Caitlin, and it just sort of reminds me of the Senate and its role for advising and consenting, that you see this play out with Supreme Court nominees, right? They get up there and they say, oh, nothing that I said in the public record has anything to do with how I'm going to, decide cases if I should be put on the bench. I hope that in this particular case, because Robert F. Kennedy Jr., as you know, sued to have the polio vaccine taken out of schools in years past. So we'll see how it all breaks down. But I think a lot of people are sort of scratching their heads at this one. Caitlin Huey-Burns for us in West Palm Beach, Florida. As always, my friend, appreciate you.